Natasha Thahane responds to the DNA allegations, Maweni scams people, and an update on Miss Londi's ex. Let's get into this. Hey fam, let me correct this first. In the previous video where I was reporting about Mabonga's death, I also reported that the incident happened at Live Sandton, which was wrong. The incident happened at Solo Sandton. Now that that's out of the way, it is said that he was deleted together with his 2 bodyguards, while 5 others, including a man, 2 patrons, a community police forum member, and security guard were injured and taken to the hospital. And Solo released a statement that reads as follows: Dear valued patrons, the management of Solo Sandton wishes to confirm that a security breach incident occurred at our establishment on the 6th of March 2025 as reported in the media. The safety and well-being of our patrons are our top priority, and we maintain a strict no weapons, no violence policy at our restaurant. On the evening of March 6, a group of males attempted to forcibly enter our premises while armed. Our security personnel resisted their entry and the situation escalated. Fortunately, our security team and local community police forum responded swiftly and effectively to neutralize a threat. We extend our sincerest thoughts and prayers to the innocent parties who were injured during this incident. We wish them a speedy and full recovery. We are deeply grateful to everyone who assisted in ensuring the safety of our patrons and staff. We remain committed to providing a secure and enjoyable dining environment for all our guests. We look forward to welcoming you back to Solo Sandton. That is the statement, and there's also a report from the Gauteng Provincial Commissioner.
It's a man and 2 of his bodyguard. That man has been charged previously for discharging a fireman shooting people at a restaurant in Sandton last year, January.
Okay, and the 2 other people that were shot are his bodyguards?
Yes.
Okay. It sounds as though that it could have been a targeted attack.
At this stage, we cannot confirm the motive, and then we do not exactly. There's still investigations determining what were the circumstances that led to this current shooting.
Are there any arrests?
At this stage, no one has been arrested, but our serious and violent crimes unit from murder and robbery members are currently on the scene, and they are interviewing witnesses, and also we have our crime scene management from forensics that are combing the scene.
And according to Zanele, during his life, Spamandla Mabonga was a businessman and hijacker who used to give Miss Londi hijacked cars, and during this incident where he was permanently deleted, he was forcing entry at this establishment after being banned. Maweni seemingly scamming her clients and everybody else who wishes to listen or take note of whatever she's advertising. She took to her social media platform and posted what seems to be testimonies. Kanti no, they are self-sent. So the first one reads as follows: Thokoza Gogo, I hope you remember me. My name is Sarah. I came there 2 weeks ago because of my cheating and abusive husband. I wanted to let you know a lot has changed after using your products. He's back at home. He brought me a new car to ask forgiveness. Thank you, Gogo. You are a blessing. This is my new car. I will bring it. The second one, Maweni. Bought the cleansing kit 7 days ago. The sleep paralysis and sexual dreams are gone. I never felt so free and happy in a long time. People are looking at me differently at work. I'm light and heavy feeling on my shoulders is gone. Thank you. Please don't stop. You were called for this. I'm crying tears of joy. Thokoza Gogo. Lady Londi was like, let me look through this. And she took the picture of the car and searched it. And the car popped up on Google search, right? And she was like, Father God, forgive me, but why would a client download her car from the internet instead of taking an actual picture? And this is the time when people were just like, Maweni ki scam shame. The shady dealings of the Sangomas. So this means her herbs have no power, so she does this self-sent testimony. I had to check this myself, so I went to Google, searched the picture of the car, and what popped was this car on the same pavement as in the picture, but on Auto Trader. And these are the pictures of the car, and it was last updated on March 5th. Unless Maweni comes out here with deed of sale that it was bought on that day, maybe yesterday or something, after the 5th, then Maweni ki scam. But moving on from Maweni and her shady dealings, Natasha Thahane is similarly responding to these allegations, swelling the net of her child's DNA, and she just made it simple and clear that 1 + 1 is 2. She took to her social media platform and posted this picture of her son that also has something that reads 1 + 1 = 2. Not 3, not 5, 2. So maybe this will send a clear message to whoever started this rumor. Otherwise, do share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.